So I saved this from the scrapyard. It's really nothing impressive, but 25 bucks. Tire's not holding air too good. Lights are connected, they're there. That tire's low on air too. Floor needs replaced. They got it cut so it can fold up. I don't really care about that. It's good for storing it away, keeping the water off the deck, I guess. But I don't plan on folding it. It's only a 4x8 trailer. Rated for like what, 1190 or something. Can't see that, but wipe it off a little. Oh, it's dirty. So it's this Long Chi, I don't know. Long Chi maybe. Has a VIN on it. That's good. What's that? A little closer. 1192. 1180. 1180 is gross vehicle weight. Yeah, so they can't hold much. 1,100 pounds. This is similar to was sold at Harbor Freight, but the Harbor Freight didn't have this. This is the Northern Tool one. Twist that off, and there's a pin under there that you pull and it tips. But I've seen the updated Harbor Freight one that has a piece that goes across, more of an A-frame design. But this is, I believe, Northern Tool. This is the Northern Tool trailer. Their trailers are usually black though, so maybe Home Depot or somebody was selling it. But for 25 bucks, you know. I seen it in the back of a guy's trailer. And I asked him if he's scrapping, and he was like, yeah, you want it? I was like, yeah, sure. How much? He said, 25 bucks. I said, that's awesome, let's get it. But I need a piece of plywood. I would rather do boards, but looks like it's so much easier just to put the plywood in with the bolts and the holes. And I would increase the width, like go a little higher over the fender or take that fender out, but only 1,100 son weight rating, you know. There's no point in making 5 feet wide. It can't really carry that much. Once you put 2 feet sides on it, it probably can't even carry that legally if it's mulch or maybe leaves. It's not gonna be able to carry mulch, dirt, really. Maybe a half a yard, so weight-wise at least, legally. I do see these. I've seen that axle for 50 bucks with some crappy tires on it. I might need new tires for this too, but I don't really see a way you could double axle this though. Actually put it there, and the thing's so short that I don't know. I don't think it's gonna distribute the weight right that way. So I don't know about the double axle idea. Then I could get it up to, like, you know, 2,200 pounds. That's pretty much a ton, so you can actually carry stuff with that. Then you can reinforce the frame. So that one's missing. That little light over here is there. And this is all messed up and patched up all kinds of times. So I'll probably get new wiring. See if these lights work. If they work, whatever. They are LEDs, so should be able to just connect them. Those are little rollers, so when you flip it up, pretty much gonna eliminate that feature, and probably put a piece of angle over here, all down this frame above it before I put the wood down, just to stiffen it up a little. I don't know, I'll look at it. I might just do like a cross frame all the way across it. We'll see. So eventually I'm gonna fix this and maybe make it a dumping trailer. It already tilts, so it's really easy to put something underneath it to dump it. That's an option.